students, today we are starting chapter number 7, Chandni of the book An Alien Hand. Okay, so this is the story of an old man lived in Almora. Okay, this is the story of an old man and he was known as Abu Khan. His name was Abu Khan. Okay, and he kept goats as pets. He kept gods as pets and he gave them funny names. He gave his gods funny names like Kalua, Gujri, Mungia. Okay, that were the funny names, and he would take them for grazing during the day and talk to them as one talk to one's own children. Okay, he talks to them, वो इस तरह उनसे बात करता था as one talks to one's own children, जैसे कोई अपने बच्चों से प्यार करता है, बात करता है वैसे. Okay, like that. But he was very unlucky in the matter of his gods. He was very unlucky. How? Because very often at night one of the gods would pull at string till it broke loose and they then would disappear in the hills beyond. Okay, and goats in the hilly regions hate being tied to trees or poles. जो goats होती थी उनको trees से बंधे रहना, pole से बंधे रहना बिल्कुल भी अच्छा नहीं लगता था, वो hate करती थी. They love their freedom. उनको अपनी freedom अच्छी लगती थी. And whenever one of his gods disappeared, Abu Khan very sad. So he was very unlucky in the matter of his gods. Okay. So whenever one of its gods disappeared, Abu Khan very sad. He didn't understand why even the juiciest grass and grains he gave them, all the love that he showered on them would not stop these unfortunate gods from running straight into jaws of death. But जो इतना वो उसको प्यार करता था और इतना उस पर उनको जूसीएस्ट ग्रास देता था, ग्रेन्स देता था, बट फिर भी उसको वो सभी गोड्स उनको छोड़ के चली जाती थी. दे वेंट टू हिल्स, वो हिल पर चली जाती थी. So क्या हुआ? One day when all his gods had left him, Abu Khan said to himself, no more gods. He said to himself, no more gods in my house ever again. तो आगे से मैं अपने घर पे कोई भी गोट नहीं रखूँगा. I may yet live for a few years. I will live without gods. And he could not go without his pets. Very soon he bought a new goat. He felt lonely when he started to live without goats. He felt very lonely, and what he did then तब उसने क्या किया? Bought a young goat named Chandni, and he gave her name Chandni. Okay, and you can say Abu Khan called her Chandni. Okay. And Chandni had a friendly temperament and she would listen to Abu Khan tales with a lot of interest. Abu Khan उसको रोज कोई ना कोई tales story सुनाता था और and she would listen all the stories with great interest. Several years passed. Chandni was still there. कई years हो गए तो चांदनी वहीं पे थी. अबू खान को क्या लगा? अबू खान believed that Chandni would never leave his compound for the free and fresh air of the hills beyond. तो अबू खान को क्या लगा कि अब ये गोट मुझे छोड़ के नहीं जाएगी. इस गोट को यही मेरा घर बहुत ही अच्छा लगता है. उसे फ्रेश एयर और फ्रेश जो एयर या फ्रेश एनवायरनमेंट नहीं चाहिए है उसको हिल्स का. So he believed that Chandni would never leave his compound. Okay. But after some time क्या हुआ? She grew very thin and she lost her appetite. उसको भूख भी नहीं लगती थी and she grew very thin. वो पतली पतली हो गई थी, thin हो गई थी. But Abu Khan didn't understand her anguish, and at last she decided to speak him frankly. तो उसने उससे बात करने की कोशिश की and what she told that I want to go to the hills. उसने क्या बोला कि मैं भी हिल्स पर जाना चाहती हूँ. बट उसने क्या बोला उसको कि नो मैं तुम्हें बहुत ज़्यादा, अबू खान ने उसको बोला आई विल गिव यू टेस्टियर फूड, मैं तुम्हें और भी ज़्यादा टेस्टी फूड दूंगा और तुम्हें रोप में बांध कर भी नहीं रखूँगा। बट उसने क्या बोला, चांदनी टोल्ड हिम, चांदनी सेड टू हिम थैंक यू लेट मी गो टू द हिल्स, मुझे हिल्स पर जाने दो। तो बट अबू खान ने उसको बोला कि कि वहाँ पर देर इज़ अ डेंजरस वॉफ इन द हिल्स, वहाँ पर क्या है, एक डेंजरस वॉफ है, वहाँ पर एक भेड़िया है जो तुम्हें खा जाएगा। उसने उसको स्टोरी सुनाई कि जैसे उसने बाकी गोट्स को खा लिया था। ही टोल्ड हिम द स्टोरी, he told her the story, but Chandni answered, God has given me a pair of horns, sorry, but Chandni ने क्या आंसर दिया, God has given me a pair of horns, I will fight the wolf, मैं उस भेड़ी के साथ, wolf के साथ लड़ूंगी, I will fight with him. So that was the first part of the story. So you have to listen it very carefully and you have to read the lesson it very carefully. Okay students, if you have any query then you can ask, and tomorrow we will read the second part of this story. Okay students, thank you.